Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm cooking for my birth, Francesco. Egg. Oh,
It's okay. Put it in this bowl.
well,
Hurry.
egg yolk is very young, so just gonna mush it up into a big blob of mush, and then put it back together. Hopefully.
You should put some of his seeds and stuff.
I know. Hold up.
You hear him?
Okay. Now. Okay, I'm starting to think, how is this gonna stick together again?
If you put some of the seeds and some of my crackers, it might harden up. No, no. I left your crumbs. You can use my crumbs.
Where?
It's right in front of your face.
Oh. So we got Cheez-It crumbs.
Wait, mix it first and then put the bird seeds.
And then bird seeds.
Carter, did you just put your moist fingers in his food?
Okay.
And of all things, why are you using chopsticks?
Cause I don't think Francesco would like this. I don't know, maybe.
It needs something to mold it. Like, it's too nun. It needs to be more typos.
So not so what?
I don't know.
Wanna freeze it?
Technically we can, because it'll get hard. Saran wrap it, we'll put it in the fridge, and then we'll finish it by tomorrow.
No.
No, I'm serious, Carter.
I wanna finish it today.
Oh, I know. Put saran wrap on it. No, because Gaga has to go, remember?
Mm-hmm.
So let's just freaking do it right now.
There's some shell.
Okay, come on. Put more bird seed in it. Maybe it'll,
What, harden it up?
yeah.
Peanut butter.
No. Okay, stop putting your dirty hands in there.
It's hardening up a
Yeah.
lot.
Good.
See, it looks like a disgusting paste.
Mm-hmm. Now put it on the thing and then make a little ball.
It's gonna stick.
Oh. You know what?
Is this a fail?
No. Harden it up and then we'll sing it tomorrow. I mean, we'll cook it, make it tomorrow because tomorrow is his birthday. Okay, say bye to your friends.
No.
Say bye to your friends.
Fine, bye guys.
Say to be continued.
To be continued. Bye guys.
We'll do it. We'll do round 2 tomorrow.
Uh-huh.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.